Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show a smarter screenshot with visual intelligence like add to calendar or image search on your iPhone. Let's get started. When you take a screenshot on an iPhone, it doesn't just save as image anymore. iPhone can automatically understand what's inside the screenshot. For example, imagine you take a screenshot of an event poster. It shows date, time, and location. After taking the screenshot, iPhone may show you a smart option like add to calendar. With just one tap, the event details are automatically added to your calendar's app. No typing, just tap and down. Now let's talk about image search. Suppose you screenshot a picture of shoes, a phone, or a famous place. When you open the screenshot in Photos, your iPhone can recognize objects in the image. You will see an option like lookup or image search. Tap it and your iPhone searches the web for similar image. You can find the product name, price, or any more information about what's in the photo. This also works with the text. If you screenshot a phone number, email, or address, your iPhone lets you tap on the text and take action like calling the number, sending an email, or opening the address in the map. So basically, screenshots are no longer just pictures, they are interactive, smart, and useful. And that's it. Smarter screenshot with visual intelligence save time and make your iPhone feel more intelligent. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.